Welcome to this brief tutorial on configuring and using the Advanced Search Results page. Administrators can enable the new Advanced Search Results page in EBSCO Experience Manager. Let's take a look. Navigate to EBSCO Experience Manager at https://experience.ebsco.com. Then launch the EBSCO Configuration app. In the EBSCO Configuration app, navigate to Researcher and Search. To configure the Advanced Search Results screen, you can apply the change across all of your profiles, or using the drop-down, you can make the change to a specific profile. In this example, I'll be applying the change across all of my profiles. Now scroll down the page a little bit and you will come to a couple of settings. The first one here is your default search landing page. Now, the new advanced search feature will apply on an advanced search. Now, here I've got my default set as standard, which will be the basic search. That's fine. I can still click the advanced search option from a basic search. However, if you wanted to change this to a default advanced landing page, you can do so by clicking custom and selecting the option of advanced. Now, for the new search results page, if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see the setting is here. If you wish to learn more about this setting, there is a link that will take you to the documentation on EBSCO Connect. And to configure this setting, go to Custom, use the drop-down, and select Advanced. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Publish. You'll see here that I am publishing the changes in this example across all of my profiles. Click on Submit, and the change has been successfully updated. We will now review this on a specific profile. You can click Preview against an individual profile from the drop-down menu. Changes that I've made, the first change is I'm landing now on the advanced search fields by default. There is also a navigation here to basic search. So if you do land on the basic search as a default, if you're wanting to view the new advanced search results page, you do need to ensure that you conduct your search in the advanced search screen. So let's have a look at what this looks like. Simply enter in your search, and the new search results screen will include your rows at the top of the search results. And from here, you can continue to build on your search by adding additional rows. You also have your fields, your Boolean operator options here, and your specific fields that you can search within. We also now include a toggle to toggle on or off your search history. So that view is now within the main screen rather than navigating over to recent activity to view our search history. From the search history panel, you have the Boolean operators to combine your searches with and or with or. And down here we can see my S1, my first search has been recorded here. I can also see details of the search, including my search options, the results. I can click on the databases icon to view the databases that this search is being logged against. And I also have my tools menu where I could edit this search details, add it to a project, or delete it from my search history. Another feature is at the top of the screen here, we have the checkbox to select all items on the page up to 500 searches, to deselect all items, or to download all of up to 500 different searches. We also have the download button from here as well, and from there you can download your selected items into a preferred format. To recap, these are some points to remember when using the new Advanced Search Results page. 1. The setting must be configured in EBSCO Experience Manager. And 2. The user must conduct the search in the Advanced Search screen. For more information, please visit EBSCO Connect at https://connect.ebsco.com. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial.